Okay, dear students, in the last class we have finished the 16th question, 3.3 exercise, trigonometric functions, class 11 NCERT. Okay, now we will start from 17th question onwards. We will try to finish all the exercise in this class only. Okay, what they have given in 17th question, you see, sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. This tan 4x we have to prove. All we have to prove. Okay, these questions. Then we have to prove tan 4x of this one. Okay. If you observe this one, you see this is like sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. I told you addition to multiplication conversion we have to do. See, 5x is angle only. Addition angles to multiplication angle. Addition of angles means sin 5x plus sin 3x is addition. Cos 5x plus cos 3x is addition. Addition to multiplication. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b means here a is c plus d by 2. What is c? C is 5x, d is 3x. c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Like that directly we can write. Let us write that formula. Okay. Okay, you see, sin c plus sin d by cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. For cos, both cos will come, but plus is there. Both cos will come, plus is there. Okay. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is formula. See, this is not a new formula. See, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. A is c plus d by 2, b is c minus d by 2. Just to add what we can say. Converting that formula, that's all. This is not a new formula. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. A means c plus d by 2, b means c minus d by 2. Like that only we have to write. Okay, let us write this conversion also. Then you write sin 5x plus sin 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to 2 sin, see, 5x plus 3x 8x, 8x by 2 4x. Directly I am writing 4x. 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2, 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2 4. Cos 5 minus 3 2, 2 by 2 1 x. 2 cos, see, this one same will come, 4x and cos x. Okay. Now if you observe here, 2 going to get cancelled, 4x cos x going to get cancelled. That means sin 4x by cos 4x, sin theta by cos theta, tan 4x. Okay, that will be your answer. This formula again and again are going to come. You have to by heart. Let us go for 18th. Okay, now see the 18th question. Sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y, we have to prove tan x minus y by 2. Okay, this we have to prove as tan x minus y by 2. Okay, now you see, this is like sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b plus minus a minus b means sin 2 sin a cos b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b means 2 cos a sin b. Okay. Now directly I am writing 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a means x plus y by 2. Sin b. Sin b means x minus y by 2. Is it okay? Okay. Now cos, both plus is there. That means both cos will come. 2 cos a 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Okay. Here also if you observe, you see 2 cos x plus y by 2, 2 cos x plus y by 2 are going to get cancelled. Okay. Then sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. You write first sin of x minus y by 2 by cos of x minus y by 2, that is equal to tan. Why? Because sin by cos is tan. Tan of x minus y by 2 is going to come. That will be your answer. Okay. Now let us go for, see here also this formula. Formula is very important. Let us go for 19th question. See another question. Sin x plus sin 3x by cos x plus cos 3x. We have to prove this as tan 2x. Okay. You see, if you observe here carefully, sin plus is there. Sin symbol. Sin is plus. That means you can write sin 3x plus sin x, cos 3x plus cos x also. Why? Because you have to write like that. Always you take C as bigger one. Here bigger one is 3x, D smaller one x. Or else A plus B is always bigger than A minus B. A plus B is 3x, A minus B is x. Like that you have to take. Okay. First let us write in order way. Then we will convert it into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B plus sin cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Like that we have to do. Same formula. Earlier we have done same formula. Okay. How I am writing? You see, first you convert it to change sin x by cos 3x plus cos x, that is equal to, okay. Now you see sin C plus sin D or sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A means 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2x. Cos 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1, sin x, cos x. Okay, sin cos will come. Here cos will come. Why? Because cos x plus cos x. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 cos 2x cos x. Both cos will come. Okay. Now if you observe here, 2 going to get cancelled. Cos x going to get cancelled. Sin x by cos x, shall I write directly tan x? Why? Because sin by cos is tan. Okay. This is your 19th question. Let us go for 20. Okay. Observe this question carefully. We have to prove 2 sin x. Which one? This one. Sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x. See, we know one formula. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. That means reverse. Reverse means how? Minus, if you take common, this formula you can reverse. Cos square x minus sin square x. Here if you see top also, numerator, denominator. In numerator also, sin 3x has got minus sign. But sin 3x means 3x is bigger than x. If you put minus, automatically sin 3x minus sin x you can write. That means minus x you have to take common. Then both minus is going to get cancelled. Then we can convert it in some way. Let us see whether it comes to 2 sin x or not. Okay. Oh, okay. See, I am taking minus as common. Sin 3x minus sin x. Is it correct? Why? Because minus sin 3x plus sin x. Plus sin x minus sin 3x. Why? Because first I want a bigger one, then smaller one. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Minus of cos square x minus sin square x. See, minus cos square x minus of minus plus sin square x. Why? Because the cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Here minus are going to get cancelled. That you have to keep in your mind. This minus going to get cancelled. That is equal to, okay. Denominator is directly cos 2x you write first. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Cos square A minus sin square A, cos 2A. Like that we have converted. Okay, now sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Minus comes means 2 cos A sin B. Why? Because first cos will come, again sin will come. 2 cos A. 3 plus 1 4 by 2 2. Sin B. 3 minus 1 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Okay? Okay. Okay, now you see cos 2x we can cancel 2 sin x. I think this is your RHS. Okay? Let us go for 21st question. Okay, see question number 21. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. We have to prove it as cot 3x. Cot 3x. Okay. If you observe carefully, we can take only 2 for sin A plus B plus sin A minus B or cos C plus cos D. Okay, 2 only one time you can take and convert it into addition to multiplication conversion formula. Okay, see which one you take normally. See, avoid this add one, odd. 3 is odd, 4 is even, 2 is even. Why? Because you see 4 plus 2 6, 6 by 2 3, 4 minus 2 2, 2 by 2 1. But if you take 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 2 will not come. Okay, 4 minus 3 also 1, 1 by 2 half, odd angle will come. Even 3 2 also 5 by 2 will not come. That is why you have to take odd, means another one also odd should be there. 7 plus 5 is there, means okay. 7 plus 5, 12 by 2, 6. 7 minus 5, 2 by 2, 1. But here, 2 even, 1 odd is there. That is why you have to take first even. Then we will see what will happen and all. Why? Because see, this trigonometric and all, once you do, then only you came to know. Directly you cannot predict the answer. But towards the answer, we have to go. Okay? Okay. Now what I am doing, you see, I am taking cos 4x plus cos 2x. Cos 4x will be first I will write. Why? Because this will be A plus B or C. This will be A minus B or D. Okay? Okay. You see. Cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x divided by sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Okay? Okay. Now you see cos C plus cos D. Both cos is there. 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 4 plus 2, 6 by 2. 3. Cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 by 2, 1. Okay, but plus cos 3x is there still. Cos 3x. If you see cos 3x common you can take. Like that it will come. Why? Because after doing only you came to know. Okay. See, these two have converted and cos 3x I have written again. These two you convert and sin 3x again you have to write. Sin plus sin. 2 sin A cos B. Okay. 2 sin A means, see here both are same, directly you copy this. Okay. Sin A cos B will come. Sin A cos B will come. A is this one, B is this one. Plus sin 3x. Okay. Now you take cos 3x top, the numerator common, denominator sin 3x common. Cos 3x I have taken common, then 2 cos x will come, plus 1 also will come. Cos 3x into 2 cos x, cos 3x into 2 cos x, plus cos 3x, plus cos 3x. Okay? Like this, even denominator also, sin 3x you take common. Sin 3x if you take 2 cos x plus 1 only will come. Okay? By seeing this you can understand. 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 both are going to get cancelled. You see, both are going to get cancelled. Cos 3x by sin 3x is cot 3x. Cos 3x by sin 3x is cot 3x. Cot 3x. This will be the answer for your 21st question. Okay. Now let us go for 22nd question. 22nd question, cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x is equal to 1 like he is written. Okay, I also requested you to do examples in NCERT book. Why? Because exercises I am doing, examples you have to do like that I told. Then only you are going to get the grip on the subject. Totally. Why? Because you need not follow any other book. Even if you follow simple NCERT book also you are going to get good knowledge. But what you have to do, you watch my videos, concepts, then you watch my exercises, then you do examples in your book. You see examples already answers are there, but even then you write down your question, then you without seeing your book. If you not coming answer, then again you see that book. Why? Because in that book already examples they have given, answers also, solutions also. Okay. In that if you observe, for tan also like this question has come. Same replica of the question is this one. Okay. For tan 3x, this is cot 3x. How to write this cot 3x? Cot 3x we will write like cot 2x plus x. Okay. Simply. Okay. Let us write that one. You see how I am writing. Say cot of 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x. We know see tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Cot a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. That formula you have to keep it in your mind. See 2x plus x. Or else I am writing in this way. Why? Because see you are going to get confused or else. See I am writing like this. Cot 2x plus x is equal to cot 3x. Shall I write this one? Both are same, but see based on this now I am converting here. What I am converting, you see, cot a plus b, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Is it correct now? Okay. Why I have written now, I want to cross multiplication with cot 3x. That is why I have reversed this. Both are equal. No? When equal to symbol is there, you can write this here also, you can write this here also. But I have written here. Then I am going to cross multiply with cot 3x divided by 1 like. Okay. Here divided by 1 is there. 1 into cot 3x is equal to this one like. Okay. Cot 3x into, you see how what I am writing, cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x is equal to this 1 into cot 2x cot x minus 1. Okay. Now you see, you send cot 3x inside and you do some, see 1 is there as plus, that means that you have to send 1 another side. Then all you are going to send different side. Cot 2x plus cot x is positive only. You see cot 2x cot x is positive. That means this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this should be positive, this side if you send. Remaining all if you send outside, that side this you are going to become negative, negative, negative. That's all. Okay. Okay. Let us write. First you expand this one. Cot 3x cot 2x plus cot 3x cot x. That is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am sending 1 this side. First 1 is equal to, okay, cot 2x cot x is there first. Okay, cot 2x cot x like that only. See this, if this comes this side equal to this side, minus is going to become minus cot 3x cot 2x. This is also minus cot 3x cot x. You see, is this the answer? See, equal to means you can write this side or that side. 1 is equal to cot x cot 2x cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x minus cot 3x cot x. Okay. Okay. Now we have proved question number 22 also. Let us go for 23. Okay. See the question. Question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x, like he's asking to show. See, now you don't take this RHS. LHS itself tan 3x plus x. If you write tan a plus b, expand, automatically you are going to get this answer. But for that you require tan 3x formula. Tan 3x formula I am writing here, you see. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay? 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. This formula you have to use here. Then you are going to get this answer. Okay? This formula already we have derived in the last class. Okay. Okay, see how to write tan 4x. I can write tan of 3x plus x, that is equal to, see, tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, now you write tan 3x, you replace this formula here. Okay, 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x plus tan tx by 1. 1 I have written by 1 I have to write. Why? Because cross multiplication I have to do. This numerator is over, that's all. But denominator still is there. 1 minus, see, tan 3x, rather than tan 3x, I write first tan x into tan 3x, all this I have copied. 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay? Okay, now again come here. Numerator you first cross multiply. 3 tan x minus tan cube x. Write down 3 tan x minus tan cube x plus 1 into tan 3x is tan 3x plus into minus 3 tan square into tan square x tan cube x tan 3x 3 tan square x tan cube x. Yes, okay. Write down 1 minus 3 tan square x tan this is x only. Done mistake. See, tan 3x plus tan x by 1 minus tan 3x tan x. Okay? This is tan x only. Tan x only. Okay? 3 tan x minus tan cube x. Okay, see this. 3 tan x minus tan cube x plus tan x. Tan x minus 3 tan square into tan cube x. Okay. Okay, now divided by, you see 1 minus 3 tan square x is there. 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, temporarily I have written, afterwards we are going to cross it. Okay, now you see this is under bracket. 1 minus 3 into tan square x into 1. Why? Because here 1 by 1 is there. This is numerator. Okay, this is denominator. 1 minus 3 tan square into 1. 1 minus 3 tan square. Okay, into 1. Okay, minus 1 into, see, tan you can send inside. Minus 3 tan square x minus tan into tan cube. But this is minus and minus plus tan cube, tan to the power of 4x. Okay? Okay. But divided by, that is there still. Divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. Now you don't require this formula again. We will write here only. Okay, 1 minus 3 tan square x, 1 minus 3 tan square x, I am going to cross. Okay, now you see 3 tan x plus tan x, 4 tan x. You write down 4 tan x. Minus tan cube x minus 3 tan cube x. Minus 4 tan cube x. Divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x, 3 tan square x, both are minus. Minus 6 tan square x. Plus tan to the power of 4x. Okay, you see the answer. Is this the same? No, not the same. We have to take some common again. Okay. 4 tan x you take numerator. 4 tan x. If you take automatically, this is going to become 1 minus 4 tan x has gone, means you see tan square will be there. Divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x. Is it okay now? Okay. You see 4 tan x, 4 tan x. 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square. 1 minus 6 tan square x, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x. Tan to the power of 4x. Okay. This will be answer for your 23rd question. Okay. Let us go for 24th question. See the question 24. Cos 4x you have to prove 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, like that you have to prove. Okay. See cos 4x, how to convert it? We know cos 3x, we know cos 2x. Cos 3x we cannot convert and make it sin square x cos square x, but cos 2x if you convert automatically, in cos 2x 1 minus 2 sin square x is there. Why? Because in answer we want sin square x. Okay. Or cos square x minus sin square x is also there. Let us see any one formula we can take. If it doesn't come, then another formula you have to use. These are trigonometric trial and error only you have to do. But I will take first cos 2x. Let me take cos 2x and I will take 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. I am writing, you see how cos of 4x is equal to cos 2 into 2x. Cos 4x. Okay. Now you see this entire 2x I am taking as a. Cos 2a. Cos 2a is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. A means here 2x. Okay. Now you see this I also can write as 1 minus 2 sin 2x whole square. Is it okay? Sin square 2x means sin 2x whole square only, na? Sin 2x whole square. Now this sin 2x I am converting again, you see. Sin 2x you don't have much formula. You are having only 2 sin x cos x whole square. Is it okay? But because sin 2x you don't have much formula. Sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a, then again tan will come. Okay? 3 only. Okay, 2 sin a cos a. See, square means all you have to do. 2 square, sin square, cos square. Okay? Multiplication means any with 1 you can do. Okay. 1 minus 2 like that only. See, square means 2 square is 4, sin square x, cos square x. Is it okay? Okay, now send 2 also inside. 2 into 4, 8, sin square x, cos square x. You see, for multiplication only 1 you can do. But square all you have to do square. Sin square, cos square, 2 square. But multiplication 2 into 4, that's all. If plus or minus is there, then 2 into 4 plus 2 into sin square x. But plus minus are not there. This is entire 1 only. Okay? Okay. Is this the RHS you see? 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x is the answer. RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved, like you write and close this question. Okay. Now let us go for 25th question. Okay. You see the question cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power of 6x minus 48 cos to the power of 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Like that we have to prove. Okay. We take cos 6x only. Cos 6x in 2a you can take. Cos 2 into 3x that will come. Why? Because cos 3x also we know. Cos 2x also we know. Cos 3 into 2x also we can take. But now what we do? Cos 2 into 3x we will take it. Okay? We will take cos 2 into 3x. Okay. Cos 6x is equal to cos 2 into 3x. Okay, cos 2 into 3x, cos 6x. See, first like cos 2a you convert it. How to convert? You see here, if you observe, all are in cos only. All are cos means cos 2a formula, all cos what will come? All cos 2 cos square a minus 1 only will come. Why? Because see here minus 1 is there. See, trigonometry like that only, how to think and answer. Why? Because you don't get direct questions always. 2 cos square a minus 1 if you apply, then this answer may come. Like that you have to think. Okay, I am writing 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a means here what? 3x minus 1. Is it okay? Why? Because cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, now again I am going to convert it 3x. First you write 2 cos 3x whole square minus 1. Is it correct? Why? Because cos square 3x means cos 3x whole square minus 1. Why? Because see, I want to convert cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Yes. 2 into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. See, cos 3x, cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 cos cube a. Okay, both are reversed. Okay. Okay, now you expand this one. Expand 2 into, you see, a minus b whole square. A square 16 cos to the power of 6x plus b square 9 cos square x minus 2ab minus 2 into 4 into 3 24 cos cube into cos x cos to the power of 4x. Okay, minus 1. Okay. Then you send 2 inside, multiply with 2, 32 cos 6x cos to the power of 6x plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos to the 4x minus 1. Okay, now you see, you compare with RHS. 32 cos power 6 is there, yes. Minus 48 cos power 4x, minus 48 cos power 4x, plus 18 cos square x, plus 18 cos square x, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, you see here, 3 into 2 also you can take, but 3 you have to convert it. You see whether that also may come. Trial and error only. Trigonometry, no direct solution will be there. You have to try in some other way, but finally answer you have to take. But while doing which route you have to go, you have to see very carefully. Cos 5 formula are there. Tan you need not take. 4 formula are there. 4 formula. 4 formula among 4, one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. That you don't take. Why? Because sin is not there. Another one is cos square a minus sin square a. That also you don't take. Why? Because sin is not there. Then what left? 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1 only you have to take. Okay. Now with this we have finished 3.3 exercise. Okay. What we do? We start 3.4 exercise concepts and all in the next class. Let us see within one class if we are able to complete the concepts of 3.4, we will complete and we will start exercise also. Or else that also will take more videos. Okay. Thank you very much.